Hi guys, Glen here from Metro Hobbies in Box Hill, and have I got some exciting news for you. I have in front of me the much anticipated 1/72nd scale Bushmaster. This is an Aussie icon. So without further ado, let's look inside the box. Well, first things first, nice artwork, typical of Dragon, good quality all the way through with that one. The parts are amazing, high quality parts, typical of Dragon, and very few sprues. I think only 3 sprues in this kit. That's what you're going to get, which shows you you'll have the lower chassis, the wheel rims, the sides, the front fenders, and of course the rear as well. But amazingly as it is, the top and bottom of the vehicle is slide molded, so it's high quality, just 2 pieces, and that's all it is. And it's got amazing, incredible detail. If you're into 1/72nd scale armor, don't miss out on this kit. It is terrific. They also supply you with rubber tires. There's obviously 4 here with deep treaded tires, which look correct for our vehicles. You get the clear parts, which are the windscreens, of course, and the sides. And you also get axles, metal axles for the wheels, and some edge parts here, which just came out of the box. You get the wipers, which are edge parts, probably a little bit too small to see from there, but they are amazingly little detailed parts. And of course, your Aussie decals. It does come with 2 decal options, which is the Iraq 2005 to 2006 version, and of course the Airfield Defence Guards RAF 2007. Once again, guys, they've just got this in stock now. It's not going to last, so please get online and get them while you can, because these are going to be hot sellers. Well, enjoy. Until next time, stay safe and we'll see you soon.